Hello, what is up everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Dragon Ball Superhero Oreos. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. And this will be probably the final part of this subscriber special. So if you enjoyed it, please make sure to smash that subscribe button to never miss out on one of my videos. Now, these were these Oreos were campaigned as part of the Dragon Ball Superhero movie, and yeah, Oreo did a collab with Dragon Ball Superhero, and they even included Oreo light cookies inside the movie itself. So let's just take these out of the package. Ooh, Gamma 1. Gamma 1. Nice. Alright, let's just take all of these out of the package. See what the covers look like. It seems like there's a Piccolo from the superhero movie as the covers of one of these Oreo packages. They seem to be different covers. There's Gamma 1, there is Piccolo from Superhero, and there's Goku from Superhero. And yeah. I assume there's more covers, but we do not see that here. So that's alright. We're just going to get into the main treat of this video, trying one of these Oreos and seeing if they're any different from like the American version of the Oreo. So, pulling the Oreo out of the package here, and I shall eat one of these. Oh, it's very... Wow, that actually tastes... Oh yeah, this version seems to cut right to the chase. It's better than the American version of the Oreos. And last but not least, we'll cover this fruit-flavored gum, because I really do want to see what this is like. Now, this is based on the Broly movie, and it's based off of like the fusion mechanic. So okay, so there's... I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah. Okay, here we go. They're little small gum squares that are different colors, and you can fuse them and combine them to get different flavors. So well, I can't read Japanese. I can see the colors on the back of the bag enough and read the symbols to know enough what's going on here. So I guess I can the blue is like... So, like, oh, max fusion equals, alright, so let's, get the red one, which seems to be strawberry, out, and the, pineapple one, which seems to be the orange one. I can't... Oh, I can probably... that's the white one. There's so many different colors in here. Oh, I'm having a little bit. You know what? Let me just like dump it. Let me just dump these out real quick so y'all guys can see. Yeah, some of these some of these colors are looking similar. So there's orange, there's yellow, there's, oh, so the blue. Okay, so there's no white. So the white-looking ones, that might be orange. I suspect that that's orange. So it says that, you use the orange one and the red one, like, together, I guess, to make a... Alright. It definitely did feel like it fused. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 100%. It definitely fused. Oh, this has a lot of flavor. So what if I just like... Alright, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put the rest of them in my mouth. All 5. Of course, the Max Fusion, obviously, is gonna taste the best. I'm trying all 5 flavors at once. Which surprisingly does not taste bad, actually. Let me just put these other ones back in the bag as I'm talking. Yeah. I think for concept, this is a pretty good idea. I do like the concept that, oh, you can combine flavors with these. I really did enjoy the Oreos and the gum. But that will have to do it for my 100 subscriber special. Thank all of you for the immense support you've been showing me, and I will see y'all in the next video.